Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video shows fast and easy method to prepare ennegayi. For that we need all these ingredients. Firstly, brinjal, obviously, which is cut into small pieces. 1 kg I have taken here, which is cut and soaked in salt water. Onions 5, which is cut. Tamarind half cup, which is soaked in water. 3 teaspoons of salt, half cup groundnut, coconut grated 1 cup, jaggery 1/4 cup, rasam powder 4 teaspoons, sambar powder 4 teaspoons. Firstly, we'll just dry roast this groundnut until it is golden brown. So after it is golden brown, we will just allow it to cool, and with our hands we can just mash it to take out the outer skin of the roasted groundnut. Now put it to a mixer jar and make it a fine powder. You can keep this aside. Now to a separate vessel, add the tamarind juice. Just extract the tamarind juice. Add salt to it, rasam powder, sambar powder, coconut, fresh grated coconut, roasted groundnut powder, jaggery. I have added 1/4 cup. If you want, you can reduce the quantity also according to your taste. Give it a quick mix. Now you add onions. Onions can even be cut smaller than this. So if it is bigger, it always gives good taste. Now to this you can add brinjal pieces, which was soaked in salt water. So all the pieces you can add and marinate it for 20 minutes. So you have to mix so that all the pieces gets covered up with the paste. So marinating it for 20 minutes is very important here, because all the pieces of brinjal will absorb the masala properly. Now to a kadai you have to add oil. 4 tablespoons of oil I have taken here. Heat it. So to this you can add mustard 1.5 teaspoons. After it pops up, you can add turmeric powder 1.5 teaspoons. Give it a mix and add curry leaves. Curry leaves always gives good taste to any curry that you are making. Now add all the marinated mixture into the kadai. So doing this way is very easy, and it is very tasty also. Please try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. So give it a quick mix now. Mix it. You can wash the vessel in which you had marinated the brinjal, and put the water to the same kadai, and cover it with the lid and keep it for 10 minutes. So in between you can open it and stir it. Now yes, it is ready. Here see, the oil has separated here, so this shows that it is ready. You can taste it now and see whether anything is required, salt or anything. Yes, our ennegayi is ready, which is very tasty, easy to prepare, which I have kept with jowar roti here. You can try with chapati also. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share, and for more videos like this, please hit the bell button. Thank you so much.